So we've got a nice little cruise around the island today. I've got a boat here, my way. So just going to get on board and wait to get underway. So the boat's not too busy. Got nice comfortable chairs to sit on. Nice and quiet down here at the moment. So the tour's going to go all the way around the island, stop off at a few different places, a few swimming spots, although it's a little bit chilly today, so I don't know if we'll be going in. Yeah, got Turtle Island on the agenda as well. Hopefully we'll see some turtles today, after many times where we've been hoping to see them before and never have, so maybe a luck change today, who knows. Anyway, we'll be underway soon and we'll be able to show you some sights. Hopefully it warms up a bit as well. Morning chill. That's Turtle Island. Can you guess why it's called that? First swimming stop of the day. This is Fallen Cliffs Beach. Really lovely clear blue water. That's where we've just been, inside that cave. Shipwreck Beach, one of the most famous beaches in the world. Best beach in ZAKYNTHOS, certainly, but one of the best beaches in the world, definitely.
Oh yeah.
Just stopped off at another swimming spot, another really nice beach. The problem with a lot of these beaches is that you can't get to them by foot, you can only get to them by a boat. Makes this the ideal excursion if you want to go swimming and visit these beaches. Really beautiful blue water. Kefalonia in the distance there, the island of Kefalonia, somewhere we haven't been yet. Right, we've just been dropped off on, by the coach at the hotel. Really good day. Couldn't do a lot of talking on the video because they had music going on the boat constantly, so we didn't want to get a strike, so I couldn't really talk. Yeah, really nice trip to do. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to book it yourself. Saw lots of really interesting places. We're still here for a few days anyway, so it gives us a few ideas of where to go next while we're here. Some of the things we saw, there's a lot of the beaches that you saw on the video, you can't actually reach them from the road. You've got to go by boat. The only place you can get to the shipwreck beach is by boat. You can look at it from the top, from the cliffs. There are a few viewpoints that we saw, but we might go and visit those while we're still here, while we've got time. Right, so we've come up to a viewpoint on the top of the cliffs overlooking Navajo Beach, which is the other name for Shipwreck Beach. Thought we'd get a viewpoint from above. It's one of the most Instagrammed places on the island, so we thought we'd take a look. Little trek down here, little dodgy roads, but should be worth it. Let's have a look. Quite a busy viewing platform, and very high up, right on top of the cliff. Not my cup of tea, as you can imagine, but there are some other views that we can go and find, although you're not really supposed to go along there, but everybody does. So there's a lot of people, just that you can't quite make it out on camera. There's a lot of people there. There's a flagpole there, but you're not supposed to go across there really, because of the rocks are falling down. The cliffs are eroding, so it's not safe really, but we'll go as far as we feel that we're safe to go. So it's very rocky. If you come along here, you have to be very careful. A lot of people obviously taking chances, breaking the barriers and going through to try and get their shots on camera, but it's just not worth it. You could take the best pictures on Instagram, you could take the best film on YouTube. If if you're not here to enjoy it afterwards, it's not worth it. There we go. It's a much better view. Someone here has lost their life, presumably over the edge, in 2016. Shrine for them. It's a lovely view, it really is. It's very close to the edge. Take a look. No need to get too close to the edge, it's too risky. Just silly. So that's the viewpoints of Navajo Beach, or Shipwreck Beach as you might know it better. Yeah, really nice view from up here. It's you've got two viewpoints. One is the official one by the with the walkout platform. And the other one is the unofficial one, which you have to walk through, which you're not really supposed to go to, but everybody does. But if you do, just be careful, especially around the edges and your footing as well, because there's a lot of sharp, jagged rocks along the footpath. So yeah, if you come here, you've got a couple of stalls to get drinks, ice cream, things like that. There's a stall here selling local produce, olive oils, honeys, things like that. You can get yourself a hot dog and some ice cream or whatever you want. So it's yeah, it's a nice little place to come and visit. Definitely worth the drive out here. That's it for us here. We're going to take a trip back to the east coast now and check out one of the thermal beaches. Got a couple of beaches on the island which are known as sulphur beaches. These they are volcanic, and there's some volcanic vents that come up from under the water and warm the beach. Apparently it does smell a little bit eggy, but I think we're used to that by now with some of the islands we've been to, so let's go and check that out. Nice little drive. Okay, so we've made it to Sigia on the east coast. €3.50 to park here. Plenty of parking, it's pretty quiet today. Yeah, you can smell the sulphur in the air, some of the eggy smell, which is something we're used to from going to Iceland and to the Azores. You really smell it. Anyway, we're going to walk down to the beach. We're going to have a look down there, possibly stay down there for a little while, get a drink, and then we'll plan our next move from there, I suppose. Let's go and show you this beach. Bit of a steep climb down and back up from the beach. It is a very small beach. There's a few sunbeds there. There's actually about 3 or 4 of these sulphur beaches dotted along this stretch. All quite different. Some of them have got sunbeds apparently, some haven't. There's a couple of bars, restaurants. So we're just going to go and sit in the restaurant upstairs, further up on the cliff, have a drink, and decide the next move. There's not much to do down there, and the water's quite cold apparently as well. that's how they get the drinks to and from the beach. Great idea. Oh, well, that was Zante Beach, one of the sulphur beaches, one of 3 or 4 along this stretch of the coast. Lovely little cafe up the top there, nice views from up there. Yeah, so definitely worth a visit. Anyway, that's going to be it from us today. We've got a long day tomorrow, so we will see you again in the next one. Don't forget to give us a like, subscribe to the channel. Still plenty more content to come. Doesn't cost anything to give us a thumbs up, but it does, we do appreciate it. Anyway, till next time, safe travels. We'll see you again soon. Bye for now.